Hi, I'm Lisa Brady, and this is my introductory video. I'm here to talk about three questions. The first one, what are my two or three assets that I would bring to the class? I would say that I have a good listener and very respectful when I listen as well. Another asset would be that I'm a very compassionate and empathetic person, and also the third, I am a very good advocate, especially for those that cannot advocate for themselves or have no one else to advocate for them. I've been a social worker for quite some time, so I'm hoping that my skills and assets that I can share with them, with my classmates, and help to teach them. And together we can make great work together. The things I used to do, I actually still do for the most part. I love to play music. I play guitar and piano and sing. I love to jam with my friends, which because of COVID, I cannot do that anymore, at least not for now. Um, but I do it by myself, actually, still do that. I also like to swim and garden are my other two main things, and I love to spend time with my family as well. It makes me my best person, my best self when I'm around my friends and my family, and I feel happy and comfortable. So, of course, I seek to do them as much as I can. Um, the third thing, what is my favorite food? Uh, there are too many to list, but if I had to pick one, I would have to say a filet mignon dinner with lobster and sauteed mushrooms with a side salad. That would be that's my absolute favorite dinner. Uh, and it just makes me feel very happy and it's heavenly and it also brings up good memories for me. So I look forward to working with all of you and thanks for watching.